want me home, I get you what you want. That body roll, don't give a fuck about no. Ain't like fuck my lord, that might call my lord. Love gon' set me up, bitch don't set me up. I'm with Tyler Young, he ride like the car.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danielle, and today I'm gonna give you guys a hair review on Hermosa Hair. So this is a real review because I've actually had this hair for about a month now, and I've taken it out, put it back in, washed it. So this hair is 24 inches, it's 180 density, it's below $200, and it's from Aliexpress. So I know what you're thinking, like Aliexpress is a hit or miss, and I did a lot of research on it. I've had Hermosa hair before and I really like it. I think this is really good hair. However, I will say it looks a little dry now, but that's probably my issue because I didn't put conditioner on the ends, the hair, because it was super oily. Not from the initial like review of the hair, it wasn't oily. I think when I washed it the first time, I don't know what it, maybe the residue was left in, and so the hair was super oily, but I got it out and now it's really nice. It's so full, so thick, it's super soft. Do you get shedding? Yes, your real hair sheds. This hair will shed, I will tell you that. Is it annoying? To a certain extent, but it could also just be from me not putting conditioner in it. But I don't think it sheds to the point where you're like, oh my gosh, I gotta take it out. It sheds like a normal hair will shed. This is how it looks on me. It's this long. I did cut the ends. So it's pretty good for your buck, like I said. You'll get thick hair for 180 density. You can do 220 density, but I didn't think that was necessary. I did not bleach the knots that great. I'm gonna tell you, I was kind of trying to do it real quick, get the hair in my head because I was going somewhere. But the hair, the knots, you do have to bleach them. You do have to tweeze a lot. It was super thick. They did try to implement some baby hairs, but you definitely have to customize it to your own likings. I did this probably a rush job and it probably wasn't my best, but I think it honestly still looks good. It feels good. I get a lot of compliments on the hair. So if you're thinking about getting some Aliexpress hair for low, definitely check out Hermosa Hair. I think you guys would like it. And did good on my last batch of hair. Mind you, y'all, I am not being paid for this. So this is a real review. Like, I am not lying to you guys. I actually will order this hair again. I really like this hair. Like I said, for the price, you can't go wrong. I don't know the specific price. I believe it was either 180 or it might have been like 167 for a 24 inch for 180 density. You cannot beat that. I will put everything in the description box. I will link that for you guys. And I thought I'd also give you a mini tutorial. I'm gonna do some crimps in here and how I do some crimps. I usually wear my hair in the middle part when I do crimps, so this is gonna be a new little style with the side part. So I'm gonna show you guys, so keep watching for the crimp.
Come on, but you want me home, I get you what you want, but you want me alone. Baby, I'm active. You held me up when I was down and out, but I don't want you waiting around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. I don't want you waiting too long. She hold me down like gravity.
We on the front page of them blogs. Would you be mad at me if the whole world knew this we was on? Would be tragedy. My niggas be globe trotting like travel teams. You always in my travel dreams. Lace up 2, 3 stripes and I'm gone. But you just want me home. Shorty hit my jack like what the f you doing? Bitch, I'm on and on. You gon' press me now? She gon' stress me out and cuss me out. I had my fair share of women, feelings don't catch me now.
Come on, don't act like I'm average. But you want me home, I get you what you want. Superstar status, but you want me alone. You held me up when I was down and out, but I don't want you waiting around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. It's not that I'm over you, not over girl, but I got things to do. It's too much to be your boyfriend, too much. And you You ain't making this much easier. If all you knew is when I used to be your best friend. You see me blowing up, come on. Don't act like I'm average, but you want me home. I get you what you want, superstar status, but you want me alone. You held me up, but now I was down and out. But I don't want you waiting around for me. I don't want you waiting too long.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope this video was helpful. I rate Hermosa Hair an 8 out of 10. That is a certified review. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.
You